important abiotic factor is water. Water is commonly described as the elixir of life. Elixir of life. Because whether it is terrestrial or aquatic habitat, water is absolutely a necessity for living organisms. Water itself can be a habitat. Itself can be a habitat, and water itself can be a resource. That is the significance of water. Nearly 70% of Earth is composed of water. And a very interesting aspect is nearly 70% of the cytoplasm of any organism in general is composed of water. Movement of water into and out of living organisms depends on a passive process called osmosis. We know that osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of its higher concentration to a region of its lower concentration. And in osmosis, we have also studied that it can be endosmosis, movement of water from the medium into the body of the organism, or exosmosis, movement of water from the body of an organism to its surrounding medium. Water is necessary for all life activities. Because water is a universal solvent. Many of the physiological processes in plants and animals can take place only in a state of solution in water. The salt content of water varies. Accordingly, we have two types of water bodies: low salt content, very low salt content, called freshwater habitats, and very high salt content, marine habitats. In fact, with reference to salts, we have two situations. Organisms can be described as either stenohaline or euryhaline. Stenohaline or euryhaline. Stenohaline organisms that can tolerate only narrow range of variations in salt content, and euryhaline organisms which can tolerate wide range of changes in the salt content. There is another factor, another abiotic factor, which is called humidity. Humidity is the water vapor content in the atmosphere. Water vapor content in the atmosphere. It is expressed as a percentage. As a percentage and described as relative humidity. Relative humidity. Relative humidity refers to the amount of water vapor, percentage of water vapor in the total amount at a given temperature. Humidity influences several activities, particularly transpiration. The rate of transpiration differs at different values of relative humidity.